Hey everybody, so today is going to be another quick one of those guess what's in the box videos, but this box is from Home Depot. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, oops, knocked that light over. Alright, so we got another guess what's in the box video. This one is from Home Depot. I also want to inform you that I had didn't pay for anything in this box. I had a gift card with well over $700 on it, and I spent $434. That's what's in this box, what it cost. Didn't pay for it. We're gonna check the dimensions of this box and see what you guys can come up with on guesses. It is 18 inches and 1/8 of an inch long. It is 12 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide, and it is 8 inches and 1/2 of an inch tall. What are you guys' guesses? I can give you a hint. It's got the word Milwaukee in the name. That's the only hint I'm going to give you. At all. That's it. Nothing else. Trying to be a little more lively on the videos, a little more entertaining. It's a pretty big box. There is more than one item in this box. What are your guys' guesses? What do you think I picked up from Milwaukee? I can give you another hint. It was released on episode 1 of Pipeline. That's another hint. Now all you got to do is go through the Pipeline list, Acme Tools or Ohio Power Tools, and figure out which out of the 20 or so tools that they released, what's in here. Okay, that's enough hints. I've given you like 4 or 5 hints. No more hints. But I appreciate you guys stopping by. Hopefully it was entertaining and fun and whatnot. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronic affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. And since I said Milwaukee Pipeline is technically in this box, go check out my Milwaukee Pipeline live stream that I did for the episode 1 for the Milwaukee NPS 2020 Pipeline event. I will be recording episodes 2, 3, and 4 as well. But go check out the live stream I did for the live event, and if there's anything in there, any tools in there that are interesting to you, that you guys are interested in, by all means go ahead and use one of my links and pre-order. It doesn't hurt you any, doesn't hurt me any. I get a little cut out of it, which is awesome. It's helpful, helps me buy things like this, but I didn't purchase this one technically, or these items. But it does help me purchase items and tools for the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please, like, comment, and subscribe. Go smoosh that bell notification icon for updates, and I'll hopefully see you guys on the next video. Peace!